Join our community. Like, comment your favorite phrase, and subscribe for daily dialogues.
Good morning.
Welcome to our cafe. How can I help you?
I'd like a coffee, please.
Sure. What size do you want? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Do you want it hot or iced? Would you like milk or sugar with it?
Yes, a little milk, no sugar.
One medium hot coffee with milk. Anything else?
Do you have croissants?
Yes, we do. Would you like one?
Yes, please.
Great. One coffee and one croissant for here or to go.
To go, please.
Perfect. The total is €3.
Here you are.
Thank you. Do you need a receipt?
No, that's okay.
Here's your coffee and your croissant.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Join our community. Like, comment your favorite phrase, and subscribe for daily dialogues. And remember to download the free support material in the description to keep practicing.